Welcome, creative adventurers. I'm Debbie Cohn with Cohn Designs. Thank you for stopping by today. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the Autothreader in the Brother PQ1500 SL machine. This is a video that I wished I'd had when I bought my Brother machine 2 years ago. So I hope you find this helpful. If you do, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and tell a friend. This is where you'll find more interesting, helpful tips and tricks and sew-alongs and all kinds of quilty inspiration. So let's get started. A couple of tips to help you when you use the Autothreader. First, make sure you have a long tail of thread. You're going to need that to get it through the Autothreader easily. Second, put your presser foot down. My lever's in the back. Third, you're going to want to make sure you thread it correctly. So as you come down to the needle section of the machine, make sure you put it behind here. And then right at the top of the needle, there is another little loop right here. You want to make sure you put the thread through that loop. Next, you're going to want to hold the thread taut back away from the needle, so a little bit toward the back. Then here is the actual automatic needle threader. Let me show you again from a different angle. I put some cardstock behind the needle so you can see the Autothreader more clearly. You want to make sure it's threaded here and here. Press down on the Autothreader, rotate it toward the back. See the thread hooks there. Hold the thread taut, push it in between the hooks, make sure it catches. Like that, hold it taut again. Press down a little bit, pull the Autothreader towards you, back towards you, and release. You'll see right here there's a loop. You'll pull on the loop and pull the thread through. It's all done. Let me show you one more time at regular speed. And that's how you use the Autothreader. If you'd like to know more details about exactly how to thread the whole machine, plus how to thread the bobbin, I have another video that goes into detail about all of that. I'll leave a link to it in the video description below and on the end of the video. If you're interested in quilting on a budget, I've got several videos just for you. I'll leave a link to those videos in the video description below as well. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.